In this video, I'm going to look at function. I'm continuing with the topic of function, and I'm going to look at a subtopic which is identifying a function. So in this video, we're going to learn how to identify a relation which is a function. So if we want to identify a relation which is a function, we need to know something, and that is a definition of a relation which is a function. So a function is where each of the first value of ordered pair is associated with only one second value, then the relation is a function. So in this case, what we are saying is the element that are found in domain should just associate with one element in the range. So the element in the first set should just have one image. Then that relationship is a function. Okay, let's look at these. Okay, let us look at these arrow diagrams. Okay, so these are the arrow diagrams I have prepared, and they are presenting a relationship of these elements in these two different sets. So here, as you can see, let's start with the first pair where we have 7, 5, 21, and 25. Now, as you can see, 7 is related to 21 and 5 is related to 25. The element in the first set is just related to one image, which is 21, or which is 21 and 25. Okay, 7 is just related to one image, which is 21, and 5 is only related to one image. So when we go to the definition of a relation which is a function, we are told that the first value of ordered pair is associated with only one second value. So this is what is happening in this set. The first value is only associated with one value in the second, or 1 second value. So 7 is just only associated with 21 and 5 is only associated with 25. Therefore, this relation is a function, because the domain is just associated with one range, or a domain has just one image, which is 21 and 25 respectively. That is for 7 and 5. Okay, now when we come to the second example where we have 5, 6, 25, 30, and 40. Remember here, these examples I've written, the relationship is factor of. Okay, all the three we are just considering factor of. Okay, so 5 is a factor of 25, 5 is also a factor of 30 as well as 40. So as you can see, 5 has 3 images, then 6 has just one image, which is 30. What kind of relationship, what kind of relation is this? This is not a function. It's not a function. Why? Because the element in the first value is associated with more than one in the second value. So it's not a function. Okay, 6 is associated with 1, but there is also 5 which is associated with many. So this one is not a function, according to the definition we have written there on top. Let's go to the third and last example. As you can see, we have 2, 3, as well as 5, 6, 7. In the other set, we have 2, 3, and in the other set, we have 5, 6, 7. So as you can see, 2 is associated with 6, and 3 is associated with 6. Now, when we go to the definition, we are told that the first value of ordered pair is associated with only one second value. Now, if you look at 2, it's just associated with 6. And you look at 3, it's just associated with 1, which is 6. So both numbers in the first set are just associated with 1 second value. Therefore, this relationship is a function. You may ask yourself to say, but 6 is associated with main. Remember, 6 is coming from the second value. We are talking about the first value of ordered pairs is associated with only 1. So that is what's happening there. Every number in the first value of ordered pairs is associated with 1 second value. Despite being the same number, all the two numbers are associated with the same number. But the rule is each number from the first value of ordered pair should associate with only 1. So that is what 2 and 3 are doing. They have just associated with 1. Okay? It has been easy learning zed-Mathematics. The future is bright. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you.